clean cache and contact customer service. Sometimes you need to clean the box's cache to make it streaming smoother. It's super easy. Go back to the main screen and tap the broom icon at the bottom. This will clear the memory right away. Then, you can tap the dashboard icon to check how fast your internet is. Hold the mouse pointer to switch to easy control mode. Hold again to return to normal control. Should you wish to uninstall any apps, simply tap the trash bin icon. From there, select the desired app for deletion, then confirm by tapping OK to proceed with uninstallation. For customer service assistance, tap the customer service icon. You can scan the QR code to connect with our customer service team via WhatsApp or online chat. Alternatively, you can visit our Facebook page and YouTube channel for additional support. Our friendly support team is here for you 24/7, ready to make things easy.